Hey, Tia Silvasi here. I'm an extension agent with the University of Florida IFAS Extension in Hillsborough County. And I wanted you all to check out the native butterfly garden we just planted here at Carrollwood Village Park. So this is a really cool garden, groundbreaking butterfly native garden for this park that we planted 124 plants of 7 different species. So let me give you a little tour and show you the plants now. Check it out. So check out the lake here. Here's a cypress tree planted along the lake, and they got a beautiful fountain there. So part of the appeal of the park is this beautiful environment. So here is one of the species we have. This Tampa verbena is a beautiful kind of ground cover with these purple flowers, great for attracting bees. All of these are Florida native plants, and that Tampa verbena is going all along the perimeter around the whole circle there. Here is the native milkweed. This is swamp milkweed, or they call it pink milkweed because of these pretty pink milkweed flowers here. Sometimes they're a little white, but this is the host for the monarch butterfly, and we have a dozen of these planted. Oh wow, look, there's actually a baby little caterpillar in there. See him on the flower stem? So these are great butterfly host plants, larval host plants for the caterpillars. Next we have these muhly grasses, and these are gonna make an inner ring around, and it's good to include some bunching grasses in your native landscape design because they just provide shelter, and they're a kind of steadfast member. Like, this plant is going to do great. Some of the flower things might die, but this will help be the backbone of the garden and keep it looking good. In the fall, these turn pink and add a nice splash of color too. So now I'm here at the Coreopsis. We actually have 2 species of Coreopsis. The lanceolata is this one with the yellow center, and this is one of our Florida state wildflowers. And this is a great plant to grow in your yard. You can even collect seeds once they mature. So here's the other Coreopsis, the Coreopsis leavenworthii, and you can see these ones have the brown in the center, but also one of our state wildflowers here, the Coreopsis leavenworthii. And our hope is these will reseed and grow in the garden. We have this pine straw mulch here that's only 1 inch deep, and that way the seeds can fall through and sprout and grow more. So it will be a sustainable garden. So this one with the big wide leaves is the canna lily, and you'll see this planted along lakefronts. This is the native yellow canna, golden canna, and native to Florida, but there's other colors that are cultivars of this and not native, so make sure you choose the native one. So here's the last one. This is the Elliott's aster, and this is in the daisy family, aster family. It gets purple, really pretty purple daisy flowers with a yellow center in the fall. Beautiful purple blooms, and these are pretty hardy plants. Great for moist soil and full sun, and we expect all these plants to do really well here. So, all right, I hope you enjoyed this little tour of our native butterfly garden at Carrollwood Park. Come out on first Fridays of the month for our community work day here, and stay tuned for some educational classes on butterfly gardening we're going to have in the spring.